Welcome. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps on how to share a pin on the Pinterest app on your PC, especially with the latest update. Whether you want to inspire friends, share ideas, or just show something cool you found, this process makes it quick and easy. First, open the Pinterest app on your PC. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home page. Now, browse through your feed or search to find the pin you want to share. When you find the perfect pin, click on it to open its full view. Next, look for the share icon. This usually looks like an arrow pointing out or a small paper plane symbol, and it's often located near the pin image or just below the save button. Click on that share icon to bring up your sharing options. Here's the fun part. You can now choose where you want to share your pin. Whether it's sending it to your friends through chat, sharing it on social media platforms, or copying the link to paste anywhere you like, you have plenty of options. Just select your preferred method to share. That's it. Sharing a pin on the Pinterest app on your PC is that straightforward. This update has made the sharing feature even smoother so you can spread inspiration and ideas with just a few clicks. Try it out next time you see a pin you love, and enjoy connecting with your friends and followers in a snap.